me. And as they were praying, this guy's wife, Robin, came up and she said, I have this real vision of you, and I just need to share it with you. And she describes the vision. And what she didn't know that she was describing this reoccurring dream that I'd had ever since I was a boy. And she said, this is your Heavenly Father talking to you. And He's telling you that you're free to be the person you were created to be. And you need to walk in that freedom. And that was a very powerful moment for me. And so this song just communicates that story. We touched down the ground in Cleveland. Didn't know freedom was so close. And I heard all the words they've spoken that could make the kingdom grow. And somehow I knew those words were just for me. Considered all the treasure of the talents buried deep inside of me. Then the band laid their hands upon me, and they began to pray. And all the fears of her years that haunted me just seem to melt away. Words as sweet as a robin's song were the keys that set me free from the chains I'd borne for far too long. It was a dream, finally coming true. She said, walking away the one who gave his life for you. She said, you are free. Peace lead the way to the tender love of the Father's embrace. Now just memories left somewhere on that eerie shore and swept out to sea. As we flew into Indiana, saw my children playing in the yard. Glimpse of the love held in heaven's heart. Sometimes I find it tempting to return to that familiar place, 'cause there's comfort in what you know, even when you know it's not okay. And I could sing of freedom safe behind my walls, but just saying about it ain't freedom at all. It was a dream finally coming true. She said walking away, the one gave his life for you. She said you are free, so let peace lead the way to tender love of the Father's embrace, to tender love of the Father's